How to get marketplace option on Facebook. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your specific account. So at the top, you can see that there is no any option of marketplace. In order to get that option in the shortcut, all you want to do is tap on this three horizontal line right here. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Head over to settings. Once again scroll down and move into navigation bar. Tap on customize the bar. Now over here at the first, you can see the option of your shortcuts. From here you can remove any one of it by tapping right here and then tap on auto. Well, once it has been removed, tap on this little down icon right beside the marketplace and then click on pin. Once it has been pinned, now what you want to do is refresh your Facebook application. Now there you can see that you have the option of marketplace. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to get marketplace option on Facebook. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.